Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about 6 super fun staycation ideas for Christmas. These ideas are so good. You'll be happy you stayed home. Christmas is such a special time, right? The pretty lights, the music, the happy feeling everywhere. But the best part is making memories with our loved ones. And what's better than making those memories right here at home? These ideas are perfect for bonding with your kids, especially for us moms. Because let's be honest, moms, we deserve a little treat this Christmas too. We work so hard to make Christmas magical for everyone else, it's easy to forget ourselves. So, grab your favorite comfy sweater, a warm cup of hot chocolate, and let's get started. First, let's plan a Christmas movie marathon that'll make you want to snuggle up and relax. Imagine this. The Christmas tree lights making the living room all warm and cozy, the smell of cinnamon and pine everywhere. And you and your little ones all cuddled up on the sofa. Get some soft blankets, lots of pillows, and don't forget the fairy lights. You could even hang up some paper snowflakes to make it look extra pretty. Now the most important part, snacks. Popcorn is a must, of course, but let's get a little creative. Pick your favorite Christmas movies, Elf, Home Alone. Whatever makes you feel happy and reminds you of good times. Dim the lights, start the movie, and let the Christmas cheer fill your home. You know, there's something really special about sitting together, getting out the art supplies, and just letting your creativity flow. So, let's plan a Christmas Arts and Crafts Day. It'll get your kids' imagination going and create some lovely memories. Think about what you love most about Christmas. Is it the twinkling lights, the colorful baubles, the smell of pine? Now turn that into a craft. You could make salt dough ornaments, decorate gingerbread houses, or even make your own Christmas cards to send to family and friends. Don't worry about the mess. Let your child play with different colors and materials. The giggles when the glitter spills. The proud look on your child's face when they finish their artwork. Those are the moments that matter. So, put on some Christmas music, put down some newspaper to protect your furniture, and let's get creative. Who knows, you might even end up with a new decoration for your tree. The smell of freshly baked cookies, the warm oven, the joy of licking the spoon baking together is a tradition that's as heartwarming as it is yummy. So let's have a festive baking day. It'll fill your home with the sweet smells of Christmas and create memories that will last forever. Think gingerbread men with funny smiles, sugar cookies with colorful sprinkles, and maybe even some peppermint bark. Now ask your child to help you measure, mix, and bake. Let them crack the eggs, even if the shells get a little crushed. Let them help you decorate, even if the sprinkles end up everywhere. These are the moments they'll remember, the ones that will make them smile years from now. So put on your aprons, preheat the oven, and let the sweet smell of Christmas fill your home. Moms, this one's especially for you. With all the running around during the holidays, it's easy to forget to take care of ourselves. But this Christmas, let's change that. Let's have a luxurious spa day at home that will leave you feeling relaxed, refreshed, and ready for anything. Imagine this: soft lights, calming music, and the lovely smell of lavender in the air. Turn your bathroom into a peaceful oasis. Light some candles, dim the lights, and put on some relaxing music. Fill a bowl with warm water and add a few drops of essential oil lavender to relax, peppermint to feel energized, or any scent you like. So this Christmas, give yourself the gift of relaxation. You deserve it. There's something magical about cuddling up with a good book, especially during Christmas. So let's start a Christmas storytime tradition. It'll spark your child's imagination and create lasting memories. Get your favorite Christmas stories, the classics you loved as a child, new ones you found, and maybe even some that have been passed down in your family. Make a cozy reading corner, a comfy chair with blankets, a pile of pillows on the floor, or even a little fort made with sheets. Dim the lights, light some candles, and let the flickering light make the pages look warm and inviting. After the story, ask your child questions, let them share their thoughts, and even act out their favorite parts. So snuggle up, open a book, and let the magic of storytelling fill your home this Christmas. Let's turn your home into an adventureland with a Christmas scavenger hunt. This is a great way to get everyone excited, involved, and maybe even a little silly. And the best part, you can easily make it suitable for your child's age and what they like. First, pick a theme. Will it be a hunt for Santa's lost things? A quest to find the missing ingredients for Christmas cookies? Or maybe a search for hidden treasures left by the elves? Let your imagination run wild. Hide the clues in fun places, under a pillow, inside a Christmas stocking, or even stuck to the bottom of a candy cane. Make sure each clue leads to the next, making it more exciting as you go. So get your clues, hide them well, and let the adventure begin. We hope you liked these staycation ideas. Remember, Christmas is all about making special memories with the people we love. And what better place to do that than at home? Whether you're snuggled up watching movies, making gifts together, or just enjoying each other's company, we hope these ideas inspire you to relax, enjoy the moment, and make this Christmas a really special one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more holiday ideas. Happy holidays!